Finally, guys, the moment you have been waiting for. Look what we got last night up on top of the van. About 2 centimeters if you're pushing it of snow. No pun intended. Yeah, we got like a good skiff of snow. Anyways, we're gonna go plowing. I'm really excited about it to show you the Grizzly plow with the KFI 60-inch system that I got rigged up on here. My wife volunteered or was pressed into service to do the filming. She did a really good job, so yeah, I'm gonna put the video together and post it. Hope you enjoy it. All right, you want to steer it? Okay. Oh. All right, hold the handlebars. Look at you, drove the quad outside. Good job. Let's let these chickens out. Sun is up. Good morning, ladies. Alright, so here's the KFI plow. This is a 60-inch plow with a mid-mount push tube set up on it. There's the quad there. Hi, Sophia. How you doing? You want to do some plowing? Alright, let's get this thing hooked up. Alright, let's turn the key on. Yeah.
This way?
No, turn it the other way. There you go, that's good.
Press this one?
Nope, that'll start it. Let's just extend the winch out a bit. Can you push that out button for me this way when I tell you to? Alright, put the winch out a bit. A little bit more. That's good right there, thank you. Put this on here. In the center hole. There we go. Alright. You guys are big helpers. Let's put this in a little bit. Perfect. And I just gotta hook up the last pin underneath. Alright, so just like that, our 2 pins are in. Plow's off the ground. That's what it looks like. Ready to push some snow?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go do that. Alright. Got the whole crew on here today. Got the plow up here. You can see I did my first pass. I'll just head on up here and do another pass. I love the lighting today. It looks pretty nice out. Got a little bit of fresh snow. KFI plow. Warn winch. And you can see when the cable goes over that fair lead, it doesn't put quite as bad of a kink in the cable when you lift the plow up and down. That's a snow plowing fair lead. Yeah, mounts up underneath here. Just a couple pins. So pretty easy to hook up. You take your center skid plate out. There's 4 U-bolts that hold that on there to the frame rail. And then low gear and away you go.